Hey guys, welcome, and I would love to share with you guys this new kit that I received. It comes in this awesome little Stampin' Up! Box, and it's an all-inclusive kit. We have quite a few kits that are available that's only available on Timetocraftkm, and you can check out the all-inclusive kits under the shop. And if you'd like, I would love to be your demonstrator, Kristen, and you can select Kristen Martin for your demonstrator, and you can shop from my store. So let's get started. Let me show you guys this awesome birthday kit. It'll keep you organized throughout the year. It's a new year, so let's get organized with all these awesome birthdays. It's called, this is the instructions, and it comes with everything right here. It's called Birthday Card Organizer Kit. And it has supplies for 1 notebook and 12 cards. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to apply the stickies to make the cards. And they have some masculine cards and feminine cards. And then the notebook has the stickers for each month. So let's look inside. It gives you everything you need. Here's the tearing tape. Here's your jewels, here's your glue dots, here's your dimensionals, all the envelopes, card bases. So if you're just getting started or would like to learn more about making cards and sending them, this would be a great kit. And you can use this notebook year after year. So let me move all of this out the way. I'm going to show you guys the notebook. So here we go. Here's the notebook, and every month you put the card in here, like you can make ahead cards, put the month, and then put the people, like whoever you're going to send on the date, and then you can have your cards already in here and be ready to send them off. I'm also going to do addressed envelopes inside. So all I need to do is stick a stamp on it a week before the birthday and get it in the mail. So this is a great way to stay organized with birthday cards and hopefully not forget anyone's cards. I love sending cards out to friends and family, but my biggest problem is half the time I don't write down the birthdays, and then I see like, oh, it's such as birthday, and I'm like, oh, I wish I would have known ahead of time. So I'm trying to get ahead of myself, get organized with this great kit. It's one awesome way to do it. If you have questions, would like to learn more, or where to find this kit, please contact me. You can message me, or you can email me. I'd be glad to answer any questions. And I hope you all have a wonderful night, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.